Hey there YouTube, Alana here from teachtraffic.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about, is it legal to bid on your competitors' brand names in Google Ads? And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 30% off Domino's Pizza. Sounds a bit weird? Check it out at the end. But before we get into today's video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell button so you never miss an episode. So can you bid on your competitors' brand names in Google? The answer is yes, you can, and many people do it. However, there is something you need to be aware of. So yes, you can bid on your competitors' brand names, but what you can't do is you can't write your ad in such a way that it pretends to be an ad from that particular competitor. And that's where Google kind of really does not like that, and you'll probably get your ad disapproved, and you want to fly very under the radar of Google. So you've got to write your ad in such a way that any person who's searching for that competitor looks at your ad and knows that it's not that competitor. So you can't sort of use their brand names in your ad copy, especially if it's trademarked. So you've got to be really, really clear that you are your own distinct business and it's a different business. And yes, your ad is obviously appearing when somebody types that competitor in, but you're not that competitor. So, you can imagine, I promised you at the end of this video, I'll show you how to get 30% off Domino's Pizza. So you can imagine Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza are at war with each other. So if you look here, I did a Google search for Pizza Hut, right, which would be this whole concept of bidding on competitor brand names. And there's an ad here for Pizza Hut. So Pizza Hut is bidding on their own brand. And then there's another ad below it here from Domino's Pizza with an offer. Okay, so as you can see here, nowhere in Domino's Pizza's ad copy are they mentioning Pizza Hut, but they're saying, hey, when somebody types in Pizza Hut, we know that they're wanting to buy pizza online. So, hey, here's an offer to sweeten the deal. We're offering 30% off Domino's Pizza in this particular ad, but they're not saying that they are Pizza Hut. All right, so hope you enjoyed this video. We've got another video on the whole concept of should you bid on your brand name, which is something I feel really, really strongly about. So definitely check out our video on that. I'll put a link in the description for that. And thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to hit subscribe and the bell button. And if you like this video, maybe even like it and comment. Thanks for watching. See you later.